Power generating company KenGen has announced a 5.7 billion shillings profit after tax increase in the 6 months to December 2015. The firm pegs this to increased revenues, which rose to 18.53 billion shillings versus 12.1 billion shillings reported last year. And as KTN's Ashley Mazuri reports, Kenya's cost of power is expected to drop as geothermal, wind and steam projects are expected to boost electricity supply to the national grid.
By all means, it has been a good run for Kenya electricity generating company KenGen, as its recently released half-year results are anything to go by. The firm's half-year profits grew by 0.8 billion shillings, representing a growth of 15%. During the 6 months period, the electricity provider's profits stood at 5.7 billion shillings, driven by increased geothermal generation to 280 megawatts, wind generation and electricity revenues.
So that is showing the impact, the full impact of the geothermal when it's in operation, and perhaps pointing to the fact that as we put in more geothermal, this is the kind of trade that you'd expect to see.
The firm's revenue grew by 52% to stand at 18.5 billion shillings, up from 12.1 billion shillings recorded last year. The firm's revenue grew by 52% to stand at 18.5 billion shillings, up from 12.1 billion shillings recorded last year, while its earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization grew by 76% to stand at 14.2 billion shillings. Despite this, the company's profits were weighed down by high operating and financing costs. Operating costs rose by 24% to 8.7 billion shillings, while finance costs increased to 1.6 billion shillings. Going forward, the company plans on leveraging carbon credits for improved corporate sustainability performance, as it currently owns 80% of carbon assets in Kenya. The firm is looking to float a 28 billion shillings rights issue in June 2016. Ashley Mazuri, KTN Business.